I am going to show you how to add watermark in Google Sheet. So let's get started. First open Canva and add your text here. Select font or align your text according to your need. Then set the text transparency to 15. Next, on the top right corner, click on share button and then click on download button. Here, first select your file type to PNG and below from these options, select transparent background to download your text or image without any background. Then click on download button to download your image. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you can use remove background web to remove background from your text or image. Once you're done, let's go back to your Google Sheet and from this option, click on insert. Then go to image and select the second option, insert image over cells. Now drop your image here. Now you can adjust or resize your text according to your need, and that's it.